What's going on, guys? Thomas with Thomas the Car, and today I'm just going to be telling you and explaining different things and things you can expect when using a Airlift 3P air performance system. So first of all, to start off with, as a little disclaimer, I am not the one that installed the Airlift system. The guy before me installed it all, but I will be showing you all around the car and different things that you can expect and things that he decided to buy with the car, and I probably would have done the same. What I'm not going to be able to show you is the 4 air struts that it comes with. It comes with struts with bags already installed onto it, and then you can adjust the ride height as you feel comfortable with it, and just different ways you can adjust it. It kind of works the same as coilovers does. If you ever use coilovers or ever looked into just taking off the wheel, and you'll see rings that you can adjust, adjustable rings. One that secures the bag up top, and then one that secures the actual ride itself on the bottom. It secures the strut essentially on the bottom. I'll post a picture right now of it right here on the screen. So the first thing that you can expect is a tank. This will be your air tank where all the air will come from for all the struts. And what he decided to do was buy 2 air compressors. I probably would have done the same. I think it may come with 1 air compressor, but I think he decided to buy the second one. From what I've heard, having 2 air compressors will make the car go up faster than just having 1, which makes sense, really think about it. So one thing you're not gonna be able to see here is the manifold itself. So the manifold is gonna be underneath this air tank right here, kind of where the spare tire is, and underneath those 2 compressors. The lines themselves that you see right here, the red and black lines right here, they're gonna run from the compressors, and they're gonna go all the way down through here, right to the battery. So this is gonna be from one compressor, that's gonna be from the other compressor. These red and black wires that you see, and that's how that's hooked up. The next thing, and probably the last thing that I'll be talking about when it comes to the Airlift performance, is gonna be the remote itself. So we put the car, there's a button twice, lights coming on, controllers coming on. And as you heard right there, that is just the compressors itself just lifting up the car. And as you can see, there are different presets that you can have. Right now it's set 75 front left, 76 front right, 53 in the back. So you just do it by hitting this button once, and it'll pop up the, it's kind of hard to see, it's not focusing, but you'll see the green numbers right below it, and then you just double tap it, and it will go to the ride height that you have it preset to. Now to lower it, all you have to do is hit this button right here, hit it once, the green numbers will pop up right there, and then hit it twice. And that'll air it all the way down. So then once you do that, you'll be at 0 PSI. Sometimes mine, it'll stop at about 23, 24 PSI in the rears. And that's just because I have 18-inch wheels. And I'm currently looking at getting 17-inch wheels. That way I'm able to ride all the way down and get just a better fitment overall with the wheel to fender fitment, as you saw in the past video with the wheel spacers. So with this as well, if you press both these buttons right here, so you press the Airlift button in the middle, and then the up button right here, you press them at the same time. It'll take you to this screen right here. And once you get to this screen, you can see different things. You got display, operations, setup, calibration, and about. I can run through the different ones if you all want to personally in a future video. Just leave a comment down below in this video, and I'll be sure to talk about it in the future. Guys, that's all for today's video. It's very short, simple, and sweet. If you'd like to learn more about the Airlift performance in the 3P, I'll be happy to answer any questions. You can put it in the comments. If I didn't go far enough into depth about it, just let me know. Again, just put it in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer any type of comment or questions you all may have about this performance. I'll also link it down in the description. Actual page to go to. My lights just turned off. The actual page to go to buy this whole set. I believe it runs between $3,800 to $4,000 depending on shipping and I guess pricing in the moment. It just depends. Like I said, I didn't buy this myself. I wish I did. It's definitely a mod I would have done if given the opportunity to, but I bought the car and was already like that. Again, guys, I hope you liked the video. See you next week. One more thing before I forget, I want to thank my sponsors, Lowered Empire and So Scared Club. I really do appreciate your all support and all this, and I'll also leave a link down in the description where you can go purchase some items like this shirt, air freshener. They have tons of stuff. Steering wheel, my steering wheel actually comes in soon from Lowered Empire. And just anything you want to get, and I'll also leave the discount code down below as well. All right, I'll see you next week.